guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a new unit. Previously in the past for this particular car, which is an X5 or if it's the X6, is you could only get a 10.25 inch screen for this. Now you can go for the 12.3. Only used to just do it for the left-hand drive version of the car, because the way the brackets were supported here, it used to cut into the glove box. Now, because they've made it for the right-hand drive, it doesn't go as far over that way, so it obviously comes over to here. So, as you can see, this is for the CIC car as well as the CCC, what you see today. And obviously, if you want to go over to the Android side, just press down and hold the menu button by the iDrive, or you can just press the touchscreen, and it goes over to the latest Android 12 system, which has got the Qualcomm processor in, 8-core, 464 gig. You can increase it up to 8.256 if you wish. This is the home page here, which you can see navigation, music. As you can see, it's nice and swift and responsive, as you would expect from a top quality unit. Sorry, I've just pressed the car info app there. That app there takes you back onto the old one. That's what I've just done. But as you can see, there's a lot of systems on the market which are cheaper variants, which basically come full of lag, low processors, low RAM. We don't sell it, as you can see. I just continue to do this all day, and just shows you how quick and responsive it is. So now you'd expect that in a brand new tablet today of high quality. So as you can see, these systems are nice and swift and responsive. So I'll just go through a little rundown of what the system's got. Say navigation, it comes with Google Maps. You can preload whatever maps of choice on there if you wish. You can put your music and movies onto your USB pen and play it through this. There's one there, and let me just lower this down. Steering wheel controls work, which I'm just lowering it down. Hopefully YouTube don't cut that out due to copyright claims, but this is where you would play any music on a flash stick. As I said, that one takes you back to the iDrive settings here. Modulus, this just takes you into if you want to change the background settings on here, depending on what sort of days you're having. You can change obviously the text font and stuff like that. Telephone, self-explanatory. It's where you take your Bluetooth calls and you can music stream through there. Also, this one here shows a little speedometer and revs per hour. You can see miles per hour down there. You can change it to kph if you want. But a lot of systems now only come with kph. You can change this one here. Little weather app here for Bevanton, which is where we are. This is obviously an internet connection type app here, so obviously that'll relate to where you are. For your icons around here for your handbrake, your heated, your seat belts and stuff like that. Just go back out. Settings just takes into the back end settings, which allows you to control audio settings, languages, system settings, time and stuff like that. HD video, as I said, where you can do your videos onto a USB pen and play it through there. It'll just show you what the quality looks like on here. There should be a demo one, which will start up shortly. From let's have a little look. No, thought there might be a nice demo one on. Oh, here we go, here we go. So I'll just show you this here. Quality of it, sound. As you can see. No, I think, you know what, that's the radio in the background. We just need to switch over to aux. So if we go down to that one there, we'll just go back out to the settings. Another thing here, you can customize this home page here. You can add extra apps onto there, so if you choose any of them, you can bring them onto the home page. So I'll do that later. Okay, here's your back end settings. This is where your apps would be from day one when you order it. You can go onto the, let's have a little look. Where are we now? This one here is the CarPlay and the Android Auto app. So obviously if you want to do CarPlay and Android Auto, let's have a little look at something else. 1 second. Okay, I'm just going to bring it to an end today, guys, because the customer's just waiting for his car. So hope you liked the video. Any questions, give us a shout. Just remember, this is the 12.3 for the right hand car now. We'll put the link down below in the description. Any questions, give us a shout or give us a call. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye bye.